In this video, you'll learn how to convert Bitcoin to Binance. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully exchanged your Bitcoin for British pounds, allowing you to manage your funds more effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance trading platform. Once you're on the homepage, locate the trade option in the main menu, usually found at the top of the screen. After selecting trade, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Convert to access. Once you're in the Convert section, you will see fields for selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. Choose BTT as the asset you want to convert. This selection is typically made from a drop-down menu labeled From. After making your selection, the interface will update to show the next steps for your conversion. Next, you need to select the currency you want to receive. In the To field, choose GBP from the available options. After selecting pounds, you will be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to convert. Make sure to input the correct amount, as this will determine how much pounds you will receive in return. After entering the amount of Bitcoin, you will see a preview of the conversion. This preview will display the estimated amount of pounds you will receive based on the current exchange rate. Review this information carefully to ensure it meets your expectations. Once you have confirmed that everything is correct, proceed by clicking the Confirm button to finalize the transaction. Following confirmation, the conversion will process. Depending on the network conditions and Binance processing speed, this may take a moment. After the conversion is complete, navigate to your fiat wallet to verify that the end balance has been updated accordingly. Ensure that the amount reflects the conversion you just completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.